India is not the biggest threat to China or challenger to China. Their problem is Taiwan, and their biggest problem is United States. But India also stands in a large territorial frontier. And then, so what we call it, today China has become a threat in being. It exists for us, and we just cannot forget it. And we have to be prepared for this threat in being. So China, in the course of all these CBMs and the protocol that was signed in 1993, 2096, 2005, for one moment, 2020, threw all the CBMs away and all the protocols away and all the good discussions, and everything went down the drain, and he did this Islamic slicing and denied us patrolling rights. How do we believe he'll not do with the buffers? There is a trust deficit. Why should we trust something having seen what has happened in the course of last 2 years? So there is this issue here which will stand. I must also add that China is the second largest economy in the world. It's rising very high. Or PPP terms is the largest economy. I mentioned about their economy, and they've got great amount of global influence now across. Even Russia has become a younger brother to China. So they have also moved in a manner like the Global Security Initiative, the Global Developmental Initiative, Global Civilizational Initiative. They become great mediators. They mediated between Iran and Saudi Arabia, which we couldn't have believed some time ago that they brought rapprochement there. They have also worked and brought about some kind of a peace formula between Ukraine and Russia. No other country has done that. So they are also getting diplomatically and on international security more outgoing in nature. This is their ambitions which are rising more and more. And I'm sure in one time they will bring peace into Yemen, because between Iranians and Saudis, now the foreign ministers have visited again. They were talking in Beijing the last 2-3 days. So they will bring about some kind of rapprochement, which will bring some kind of a ceasefire into Yemen. So there is a change that they're bringing across in the world. Now, with all that, we have a trade of over $125 billion with China. Now, this trade, and this is the second largest economy in the world. And the supply chains have become so intricate that a cell phone and iPhone is not made into one country. It's made into 50 odd countries. Every country produces something. Supply chains bring this stuff, and it is combined and made into a phone into, say, in the iPhone city in China. Now maybe Foxconn has come up to India. So in India, we'll also have a city, but India will not produce a complete phone. The cameras will be produced in Japan. The chip will come from Taiwan. Something else will come from. So the supply chains will move. So to say that the trade $125 billion is anxiety, all right. But the fact is that you just cannot get in till the time China has the largest supply of lithium batteries. It's got the maximum amount of work done on solar, and we are looking for resources like that.